Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is about the border, how to make a border for an element. And before we start the lesson, don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button and like this video. And let's start our lesson. We have these elements here inside the div and the class is user. And here in CSS, I make the padding left 100 pixel to be more clear. And let's start with making border. First one, let's write the border. We can write the border in two types. First one is this way. We will write the border color, for example, or border width. You will determine some pixels. For example, I will determine 2 pixels. This is the width of the border, and after that I will choose the border style. These all are the border styles. For example, I'll choose the double. And the third step is border color. Let's choose the border color. Let's choose blue. And this is how to make a border for an element. And I can control with the pixels, with the style of the border and the color of the border. Let's make this 5. How you see it changed the width of the border. So can I control with the sides of the border? For example, this one not the same of this one. Yes, you can. We can change every side of it. And this is how to control the sides of the border. First one is top, and the second one I'll make it 2 pixels, and the third one I'll make it 7 pixels, and the fourth one I'll make it the 10 pixels. The first one is top 5 pixels, and the second one is the right, which is 2 pixels. I see it is smaller than everyone. And this is 7 pixels, which is the bottom, and this is 10 pixels, which is greater than all of them. And this is how to control the sides of the border. And can I control with the style of the border? Of course you can. For example, let's choose the solid. This is the right one. I see it make it solid, and another one, let's make solid, and the solid. I see this is how it's working, and we can control the color of the border, the sides of the border with color. First one is top, we choose the blue, and the second one, let's choose red. I see it changed to red, and you see, because I just determined the top and the right, so everyone will take the color of the opposite of it. For example, this one takes this color, and this one takes this color. And if I choose only one color, so it is for all the sides of the border. And let's turn this back. This is red, and the third one, let's choose yellow. I see change it to the yellow, and we can control the other side also. Let's choose green. Enter. I see this is how it's working. We can control the all sides of it with the color, style, or the width of the border. And we have another way to write the border, which is easier than this. Let's delete this one. You will only write the border, and then you write the width of the border, for example 2 pixels or 5 pixels. 5 pixels, and then the color, or you can write the color first. It's not a problem. Anyone is first or the last is not a problem. And let's write the color of the border. Let's write red. Just red. And then let's determine the style of the border. For example, let's choose double. I see this is how this step is working, and it's easier than the first step. And this is how to write the border for an element. And here I think we finished our lesson, and we explained everything about the border, and I hope every information is clear and you enjoyed the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the ring button, and like this video. And thank you so much for listening.